Hello there, an exclusive from me for those glossy magazines. In the next couple of days, yet more rain to come, but at least it will be turning very mild. Now this is where the temperatures should be panning out this time of the year at the end of the night, dipping down to 2 or 3 degrees, even a touch of frosted places. In contrast, tonight, by the end of the night, I think we're going to see temperatures well into double figures across most parts of the country, even as high as 14 or 15 degrees in the south. We're going to keep these, it's warm southerly winds that's going to be causing it, with us actually for most of the week. Just every now and again, especially on Wednesday, the winds go around to a somewhat cooler direction. But it is really going to be from the south that we're looking for those winds for the rest of the week. Quite large arrows, so indicating windy weather, even some gales from time to time as well. Now, we started off yesterday evening with quite a few showers across the country, as you see here. At the moment, in the north, we still have a mixture of sunshine and showers, but thickening clouds already reached the south, bringing with it some further outbreaks of rain. And those outbreaks of rain are going to be marching further northwards during the rest of the afternoon, eventually getting to Northern Ireland, up as far as southern Scotland. But the more northern parts of Scotland, at least central and northern parts of Scotland, a different story altogether. Staying bright, fairly breezy, some sunshine and a scattering of showers. But as you see, the rain coming into the south. Fairly mild too, 9 or 10 degrees, the temperatures in most places. Now, during this evening tonight, the first of those bands of rain works its way up to northern Scotland. Some more rain comes up from the south to affect most parts of England and Wales. Some quite heavy and steady rain at that. In between, although it looks dry here, it isn't going to be dry. It's going to stay dull, sort of misty and murky, with some occasional lightish rain and drizzle. Again, we've seen those temperatures for the end of the night exceptionally mild. Here's that run of quite strong southerly winds for tomorrow. We do have weather fronts around though, which means to say that much of the north of the country is going to keep some outbreaks of rain and a good deal of cloud, whereas in the south, after a rather damp start, tending to brighten up, turning very warm indeed for the time of year, around southern and western coast though, probably staying dull, damp and misty and quite windy. A weather front swinging across us on Wednesday, so after a mild start we will find somewhat colder weather coming across from the west, a band of rain at the same time, followed by brighter and breezy conditions with sunshine and showers. But yet another active area of low pressure on our doorstep for Thursday. More fronts coming up from the southwest, so after a bright start, perhaps a misty start too, turning wet and windy yet again.